Today we're working on Excel lesson 2, the 7th lesson, hiding and unhiding rows and columns. So select columns B to D. So highlight B and drag the mouse over to D up there on the column. Hint, alternatively, you can select any range of cells that include both columns B and D to indicate you're selecting the hidden column between these two columns. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click Format, then click Hide and Unhide, and click Unhide Columns. You can see that it unhid that C. The column header now appears with an intriguing description. Intriguing. Wow. Intriguing. I'm intrigued. How about you? Step 2. Right-click the double line header division between rows 15 and 17 as shown here. You see right here. And then click Unhide. So you see right here. Unhide. Oop, I missed it. Right-click and unhide. You got to get right there on that double line, and you can see that we now have a row 16 that is unhidden. Not as intriguing, but nevertheless. Step 3, now hide the row and column again to cover your tracks. So select column C. On the Home tab in the Format, click Hide and Unhide. Hide columns. Mark as answered. Go to the next one. Use the mouse to hide a row. Move the mouse pointer to the bottom edge of row 16 header. So right here on the bottom edge, the mouse pointer will change to a double-headed pointer. Click and drag row 16 header upwards until the height is 0. So you see the height right there. So drag it up till it's 0 and let it go. Mark as answered. Submit. Submit results. This completes hiding and unhiding rows and columns.